API is a way for one application to request data or functionality from another application. It defines what can be requested and what information will be returned. Simply a set of rules and procedures for getting information or doing some action in another application. Imagine you open your weather app, within a second it shows the latest weather information. But the weather app is on your mobile, so it doesn't know the actual weather information. The weather information is collected by weather companies using satellites, weather stations, and sensors around the world. The weather server has all this information collected from this infrastructure. So somehow your app has to ask the weather server. That's where the API comes into the picture. The weather server provides the API and the weather app consumes that API. When you open the app in your mobile, the app sends a request to the weather service API. The weather service finds today's weather for your location, then it sends the results back. Finally, your app displays it on your screen. This happens more often than you think. When you sign in using Google, when you make a payment online, when you book a cab, or when you check your bank balance. Behind the scenes, applications are communicating with other applications using APIs. So remember this, API stands for Application Programming Interface. It allows one application to request data or perform an action in another application in a standard way. Thanks for watching.